Hi guys, this is Setra. Guys, today we are going to discuss about second types of model inheritance. Type second is called multi-table inheritance. Guys, if you didn't watch my previous video, then go and watch. Then only you can understand this concept. This is advanced level concept. This is most important concept. Guys, so our total point is multi-table inheritance. See, if the base class is not abstract, then such type of inheritance is called multi-table inheritance. Guys, previous sessions, previous lectures, you see the abstract base class model inheritance concept. There, we created three model class, and we abstract contact class into the student class and employee class. Yeah, and there created only two tables in database, but in there it will create three tables in database. This type, see this type of, see this one, guys. See. This type of inheritance is applicable for at the code level and DB level also, but previously it applicable for only for code levels. Yeah, and multi-table inheritance inside database for both parent and child tables we created. Okay, guys, we have one examples, guys. Here, see, observe this one. See, examples one. An examples is there, guys. See, there is a contact info. This is our parent class. If you know, guys, inheritance concept, then you know about what is parents class, child class. Okay, this is parent class. Yeah, guys. There is a contact info one. Name field is there, and email and address. This is a common fields. Okay, guys. See, so the common fields. Okay, guys. And next one, see, a student class is there. This is child class of this parent class, means contact class. Okay, there we are defining roll number and marks. Okay, guys. See, and we have another class, model class. This is teachers. Okay, this is contact info, child class of contact info. There is a subject and salary is there. Okay, this is a structures you can create like this. But in next video we will see the practice by coding also. Today only we cover the theoretical part. Okay, our notes is there, guys. See, in this class, in this case 3, table will be created and child class will maintain the pointer to parent class. See, in this case 3 tables will be created. Okay, and the child table will maintain the pointer to the parent tables to refer the common properties. Okay, guys, this is not, you can remember this one. Yeah, just simple topic, just simply I explain the theoretical part, and next session will continue the coding. Okay, guys, thank you, bye bye, guys. Please subscribe this channels. We'll update all the Django sessions every day, step by step going. Yeah, okay, guys, bye, have a good day.